What's up, peeps? Today we are in L.B.L, bison and elk prairie. As you can see, all the bison behind me. I'm with my good friend and buddy, Jeff. He's not only an awesome realtor, but an epic photographer. And we've been up here since 5:30 in the morning. He shoots all Nikon, I shoot all Canon. Right now, I'm recording this video with the new iPhone Pro Max 11. Yes, and it's amazing. Oh, you hear that? Oh, that's amazing. That shutter going, it's awesome. So as you can see, they were coming this way earlier, and now they're kind of going that way. Earlier, back there, they were all kind of running and fighting. And we had that big bull over there. You can see it on this side, that area. And he's been kind of trying to take ownership of everything over here. So we're gonna keep on shooting, and you'll hear that shutter go and us having a small conversation.
Big one running in.
And then all the way back there, I don't know if you can see it, all the way back there, there's one big one coming this way. So we're gonna let you enjoy the small video while we keep on shooting, all right? Enjoy. So as you can see, right over here, they've been really centralized on this area, but there's one right over there in that area who just got on the road, and that's the big one that was running towards the herd over here. And now they're turning. Check that out. And yes, we have our safe distance from them. We're not provoking them. We're just shooting. And if anything happens, I'm gonna leave this rolling, and I'm gonna get my happy butt in the car. But so far, it's been pretty cool. How awesome is that, peeps? As you can see, they're coming towards us, so we're gonna try to avoid them and still stay on the range that we could take nice pictures. And there's one over here in the corner, as you can see him in the road. Yes, there's a big one. Yeah, by the way, if you come in here, you only pay $5 and you could go around as many times you want. And just keep it clean, keep your trash in your car, and let's keep this as beautiful as it is, okay? Oh, and by the way, we already seen elk. And if we go by there and we see another one, I'll record it and show you guys, okay? But so far, this is amazing and beautiful. And yes, we're looking all 360 views all around us to see what we catch. But so far, this is amazing. And by the way, this is Jeff's first time coming up here.
So you feel the energy of them as they get closer.
Yeah, and the stench. Oh, look at that big one over there, all by itself coming over here. See him?
You see the hump on his back?
Yeah. This is 4 minutes into the video, and you can see how they're now coming this way, little by little. They look at us and they keep on eating grass because we're just staying put. We're not trying to cause any altercations with them. We keep our nice distance, even though you see it pretty close, but we're what, like 50, 60, 100 feet away from them? So we're pretty far away from them. We just keep our distance. And you just missed it on the right side. There was this bison that kind of pushed away the calf. I don't know if they're called calf or what the hell they're called, but hey, I'm calling them calf.
Yeah, look at the battle wounds on that one.
Yep.
On his underside of his belly.
So I'm gonna turn the camera this way a little bit to the left, and you can see what I mean. They're just moving along and eating. Oh, look at that one in the middle.
Oh, yeah. head on that one.
As you can see, right on this side right here, you see that one? That's the biggest of them all. And he's
like
trying to.
coming right at us.
Yep. But if we keep our distance, we're good. I hope you have those doors open because I will run towards the car.
Windows are open.
Yeah, there you go. That dude right there, you see him?
Big one.
Yeah, look at him.
Oh, he's getting ready to mate. He's sniffing, he's looking for it,
Yep.
that's for sure. That would be an epic picture too.
And video while we're recording it right now.
God, he's beautiful.
As you can see, they have a bunch of gnats on top of them. Obviously, they don't shave, they don't shower, they don't nothing. So, as you can see, but how beautiful is this, people? Jeff, give us your opinion about this, please.
My dogs don't like to get this close to me. It's crazy. And the detail in the pictures being so close, it's literally like being in the middle of a National Geographic video. And you're so close you can literally smell their odor. It's weird.
So we're gonna move my camera real quick to the other side, as you can see. Hey Jeff, say hi. And as you can see, I'm gonna move still so you can see them. They're moving towards that area. And I'm gonna put the camera right here so you can see them coming in. Once again, this is all filmed on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This lens is amazing. This phone has been nothing but amazing. So apparently we got two bulls. We got that one right there and one over here, if I'm not mistaken, right there. Yeah, he's making his way. No, not that one, sorry. There's another one. Look at that. Stay how you were. No, you can stay on your phone. Stay on your phone better. You're looking for something. As you can see, they're still pretty mellow, eating and going about their business. Eight o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning, and we've been here since 5:30. And this is just amazing. Well, peeps, we're gonna cut it here real short right now and just enjoy. Actually, no, because look at Jeff over there. Look at that. And we keeping our distance, peeps. We really keeping our distance. We kind of surrounded it a little bit. So I'm gonna put it again right over here. Capture a couple more minutes of them roaming around. Oh, dude, we're kind of, yeah. I don't know. I
Get your phone out still?
Yeah, I got my phone on me. See?
It's a little too close.
Jeff said it's a little bit too close for him. So we're gonna cut it short here. Thank you for watching. And if anything happens, I'll video it again, all right? Bye, deuces.